Hey everyone and welcome back to my class. Today in this video I will cover class 6 maths chapter number 4 exercise 4.3. So if there is any student who want to see the previous exercise, you can go to my YouTube channel and you can find out there. So here I will start exercise 4.3. Question number 1. Name the angle in the given figure. So we can see this figure A, B, C, D. We have to name all the angles of this figure. So we know how to name angle, isn't it? We can say angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D directly. Or else if you want to mention angle A, what we have to do? We need to say angle B, A, D. Okay. Now A is in middle. That means we are saying angle A. Now if you want to say angle D, then you can write angle A B C, isn't it? Now we are mentioning angle D, means which angle you are mentioning, that should be inside the middle, or else you can write C D A also. Okay, it is same, C D A also we can write. So come to the answer. So there are four angles in the given figure. So the name are angle ABC, means angle B. Okay, ABC means we are saying angle B. Now again angle CDA, that means angle D. Okay, we are saying angle D. Then again angle DAB, that means we are mentioning angle A. Now DCB means we are mentioning angle C. So BDAC, these are the four angles, name of the four angles. Okay, now come to the next question, question number 2. Now question number 2, in the given diagram name the points A in the interior of angle DOE, means the interior angle. In the interior angle DOE, we have to name the points. Okay, we have to name the points by looking this given figure. And B question, in the exterior. Exterior means what? We know, isn't it? Outside of the angle. Exterior of angle EOF. Now we can see angle EOF. EOF. This is the angle, isn't it? Now exterior. So this part will be the interior and this part will be the exterior. So you have to say the exterior point. So which is the exterior point? We can see here. That is what? C. Now C question is given. We have to name the point on angle EOF. EOF. We can see the angle, same angle EOF. And here we have to say all the point. Now come to the solution. Okay, come to the answer. So before that I will construct the figure again. The given figure was in this way. This is O. This is D here. And F is here. Then C is here in outside. Then B. Here it is B, and here A, and here it is E, isn't it? So E. Okay, I will write E in again. So this is point E. Now point interior of angle DOE. Point interior of angle DOE. Where is DOE? We can see DOE. This is the angle, isn't it? Now point interior. So which point is interior? A, isn't it? So A is interior of this angle. So answer will be what? A. Now B answer, point exterior of angle EOF. Now we can see EOF. Where is EOF? This is our EOF. Now exterior means outside of this angle is what? C, isn't it? C. And also we can say A and also D. These all points are outside of this angle E, O, F. So what are the points? C, A and D. C, A, D. Now answer number C, point on angle E or F. Now where is E or F? Angle E or F.